In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for Virtual Assistant. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Google Calendar is an excellent tool for virtual assistants. You will be able to manage your clients' schedules and their own workload. The core of using it effectively is calendar sharing and utilizing key features for efficient scheduling. The main thing, the most critical step, is that you should have access to your client's calendar. So if they have already created a calendar on their own, they can go over to the calendar, click on these three dots, settings and sharing, and in here they can add your email address. So they will click on add people and groups and input your Google email. You will get a notification telling you that you now have access to their calendar, and once you are able to interface and customize their own calendar, you will be able to begin the work. If they have never made one, then you will need to create one from scratch. So all of the essential applies. First, create new events. You can click and drag on any of these locations, add all of the necessary information, including location, and assign all of them to the specific date, week, month, and so on. You can make them repeat, and you can utilize the Google Calendar features. You can make multiple calendars, so if needed, you can create specific ones for specific events, tasks, and anything in between. You should always add unique colors, so by adding unique colors, it makes it way easier to identify what a specific task is going to be referring to. You can assign them colors based on their importance and their type, and you should always use this to track your client's tasks. So by switching over to Google Tasks, you can also add specific tasks, and they will also appear on the calendar. By crossing off these tasks, you will know when a specific event has been completed, so it makes it much easier to keep track of everything that is going on. Always confirm with your client their priorities, preferred meeting times, and no meeting policies before booking. Add breaks in between the events, so you can make it a blank space for a break, or add a specific event and then just title it as a break. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.